Hey, I'm Ryan, and I just want to say thanks to Beard God for sending me these beard products. I'm going to show them to you, and I've already used this, and it's not beard balm so much as it's beard butter. So if you check out the consistency of this, it's a little different. It's more like buttery. It's a little whipped as well. Kind of whipped and buttery. And it smells amazing. It smells like vanilla icing, actually. So good. Yeah. So let me show you what that looks like in my beard. Once again, Beard God. So let's see, how's it looking? Looking good? Cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut butter, argan butter, hemp seed butter, grape seed butter, palm oil, black castor oil, sweet almond oil, fragrance. It's definitely, I have to say, when I put the beard butter into my beard, it feels a little bit like hair conditioner, and my beard really goes soft the same way it would if I put hair conditioner in my beard, which I often do to keep it soft. I really love it. I'm glad I talked to Beard God. Thank you again for sending me these. There you go, Beard God. Check it out. Here we have the oil as well. Put a little bit of that in there. There you go. It's Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like this video, check out my other videos, and subscribe.